Welcome to our channel. In today's video we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to fix the Fortnite matchmaking error number 1. This error can be frustrating, but with these easy steps, you'll be back in the game in no time. Step 1. Check Fortnite server status. The first thing you should do is check if Fortnite servers are down. Epic Games sometimes performs maintenance or releases updates, causing server outages. You can check the official Fortnite Twitter page or visit Epic Games' website for any announcements regarding server status. Step 2. Restart your game. Sometimes the error is just a temporary glitch. Close Fortnite completely, wait a few seconds, and then restart the game. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and resolve minor matchmaking issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can lead to matchmaking errors. Ensure your connection is stable by testing other online services or websites. You can also try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if you're using Wi-Fi. Step 4. Change matchmaking region. In some cases, the matchmaking error occurs due to your region settings. You can change your matchmaking region within the game settings. Try selecting a different region to see if that helps resolve the issue. Step 5. Clear cache or reinstall Fortnite. If none of the previous steps worked, clearing your game's cache or reinstalling Fortnite could be your solution. Sometimes corrupted files or outdated data can cause matchmaking errors. Make sure to back up any important files before reinstalling. Step 6. Check for game updates. Always make sure you have the latest version of Fortnite. An outdated version can cause matchmaking problems. Go to your platform's store or the Epic Games launcher to ensure the game is fully updated. Step 7. Disable background apps. Background applications can sometimes interfere with Fortnite's connection to its servers. Close any unnecessary programs or applications while playing to optimize your connection and prevent matchmaking errors. Step 8. Contact Epic Games support. If the error persists after trying all the steps, it may be time to contact Epic Games support. They can provide further troubleshooting steps, or let you know if the error is part of a larger issue. Remember, these steps should help fix Fortnite matchmaking error number 1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Fortnite tips and troubleshooting guides.